Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to clear Zoom cache. This is a useful process when you're experiencing performance issues, login problems, or simply want to free up some storage space on your device. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Zoom interface where you can access all your settings and preferences. Now, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile avatar icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the full settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the General tab. This tab contains the core settings for your Zoom application. Scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Clear Local Zoom App Data and Cookies. When you locate it, click the Clear button next to it. A confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Zoom's way of making sure you really want to proceed with clearing your cache data. Go ahead and click Clear to confirm your choice. The app will then remove all stored data and cookies from your local system, and that's it. You've successfully cleared your Zoom cache, which should help resolve any issues you were experiencing and give your app a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.